Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about Laplace transformation. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have the formula to transformation in here. So this is the formula about this one, that is about this one. We need to transform into h to the power of 3 capital F of h minus s square f of number 0 minus s, first derivative of the function at t equal to number 0 and second derivative of the function at t equal to number 0. Now let's go to the second one. The next one. This one, y, we need to change into capital F of h. This one, that is about Dirac delta function. So the formula of this one. So we need to transform this one. So I will put number 3 into I. So I will transform Dirac delta function e to the power of negative ha. Now we need to transform everything for this one in here. So we need to put the Laplace for the both sides. So this one, that is about this one. This one, that is about this one. This one, that is about this one. And the next one, that's about y. So we need to transform this one. And this one, we have a, that is about number 3. Next, we have the conditions. So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, you got 0. So if we simplify, you got like this. Next, capital F of h, we can do about factorization. So this one, this is about identity. So we put h minus 1 to the power of 3. Later that we divide both sides by this one. And this one we can put into 1 over e to the power of 3h. Here is about the formula to do about inverse Laplace transformation. The first one, that is about Heaviside step function. So that should be like this. And the second one, that should be about, that is for this one in here, 1 over h minus 1 to the power of 3. However, number 3 equals to n plus 1. N plus 1 equals to number 3. So n equals to number 2. But we don't have number 2 in here. So that means we need to put number 2 factorial on numerator and denominator. So 2 factorial over s minus 1 to the power of 3, we need to transform into 2 factorial over h minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 into about n equals to number 2 e to the power of a equal to number 1. So we have t in here. So because we have 2 factorial, we keep the same. Now we go to Heaviside step function. After we transform f of h, that's it from here, we need to transform this one into this one, and you got the final answer. That should be like this. Or this is about I not see. So we have 1 over 2. We see that this is about e to the power of 3h, or we can put about e to the power of negative 3h in here. But this is about number 3, and we have number 3 in here. So number 3, we put number 3 in here. So this one we just put into t. Now we need to transform into 3t minus 3 e to the power of t minus 3, and we have h t minus 3. Because when we put this one into u equal to t minus 3, this one will change by u, and u then return back to this one in here. This is why we need to put t minus 3 in here to similar for this equation in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching. And number 2, that's a form 2 factorial in here. I will go in here.